Hey everyone, my name is Andre Pittman. I'm a Kinesis 205, Section 1, and now we're going to go over the three Google apps that are going to be pretty prominent in my job. First one would be Gmail. You can access this on your phone. It's just, checking your emails, sending out emails. We do this quite often in the office, contacting all of our colleagues and people from different departments. Another one would be Google Docs. You just click on here. You can go in there, create new documents. This will mostly be used for brainstorming ideas, type things out, let you want to process and get done throughout the day. Just jotting things down. And for Google Sheets, we normally use this for scripts and things for games, schedules. We use a lot of sheets and forms to fill that out. So these are the three apps, Google apps that I most likely use throughout my job.